Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Cloudflare 1111. So on your browser, simply type 1.1.1.1. Now it will lead you to Cloudflare. For here, choose a downloader based on your device and click on it. Now just wait for it to be downloaded. Once done, go and click on it, then hit on the next button. Now go and install it. So just wait for it to be installed on your device. After that, go ahead and finish your setup. Now, on your device, if you go to the bottom ribbon and click on this arrow icon, you will now see your Cloudflare 1111. Now, click on it, then go and click Next. Then accept it to your device. Here, you will now see your Cloudflare Warp. Now in here, if you go to the settings of it, you can choose between the regular one or with warp. The warp one will provide you a more secure connection. Now, to use that warp, you can simply toggle it on and wait for it to be connected. Now, once connected, your internet is now private. After that, you can go back to settings. Then go to Preferences tab. Here, you can access different settings or preferences for it. And that's it. You've successfully set up Cloudflare 1111 on your PC. From now on, you'll enjoy faster and more private internet browsing. And that's just basically it. That's how you use Cloudflare 1111. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.